Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that according to IMF, banning crypto may not be effective in the long run. The second thing I would like to talk about is crypto.com receives VASP registration in Spain. What it is, I'm going to tell you in a second. And we have the French asset manager, CACEIS, offer crypto custody service to its customers. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I'm making you a couple of fresh videos to keep you up to date in blockchain, in crypto. So if that's important for you, then definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating. And now let's start today's episode. As you can see, we have finally the new signal with our new colors because, the website, the blockchainbloom.com, the Hungarian version is already ready in these new colors, blackish, goldish kind of. And pretty soon, probably next week, the English website is going to be ready as well. We're still working on it, but, you can see the pictures on YouTube. The thumbnails are also in this new style. You can see my t-shirt since Blockchain Bloom became 3 years old, and that was on the 12th of May. Right, but now let's move on to the market, and now we can see that Bitcoin is basically not moving anywhere at the moment. Staying steady, $30,106 US. Ethereum a tiny little bit down, 0.2% down, $1,874 US. When we're looking at the top gainers, WeChain went up 6%, actually 10%. Bitcoin SV 10%, Leo almost 10%. Among the losers, Stacks down 6%, Fracshare 5%, ApeCoin 5%. So not huge moves at all. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see that we staying right now above here this almost 30,000 line, which is a very significant resistance. So we're going to see how we can move forward. It would be nice if this becomes a support. It usually, as you can see, always we go up and then we going sideways for a week or many days, and then there is a next move. So the next move could be easily up to 32, and then continue. Okay, let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about that IMF is saying that banning crypto may not be effective in the long run. So this week, we definitely have more and more bullish news. And this is actually also good what the IMF is now saying, its approach. So banning crypto may not be effective in the long run, according to them. So the International Monetary Fund, this is what IMF stands for, has reiterated its calls for crypto regulation across certain countries, but said an outright ban may not be the best approach. So IMF said Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, and Ecuador, whose government's regulation of crypto was in progress, ranked among the highest countries in the world for the adoption of digital assets in effort to help unbanked send faster and cheaper payments and more. In addition, according to the fund, most central banks in the region have or are considering adopting digital currencies. So why a few countries have completely banned crypto assets given the risks, this approach may not be effective, this is what they're saying. So the region should instead focus on addressing the drivers of crypto demand, including citizens, unmet digital payment needs, and on improving transparency by recording crypto asset transactions in national statistics. So they actually going in a way that, okay, let's do crypto, do it in a transparent way, and so on and so forth, but not banning crypto. And this is, again, a totally different approach what we had a couple of years ago. And in many, many countries, the regulations, how to do crypto, is that what they're working on instead of banning crypto. So this is where we actually shifting. And this is actually pretty good news. Okay, then the second thing is crypto.com actually receives VASP registration in Spain. So we have here crypto.com, which receives VASP registration in Spain. So we do know that the crypto industry has been facing regulatory heat from financial watchdogs across the whole globe. And well, crypto.com's new destination, it looks like it's Spain. And in its recent blog post, the exchange announced that it has obtained a virtual asset service provider registration. So this is what VASP stands for, from the Bank of Spain, enabling it to operate within the country. And actually, you know, Spanish banking giant Santander Bank recently started an initiative to educate its clients about crypto. This was done through an educational series on its website called Digital Assets 101. So Spain, it looks like welcoming crypto exchange, crypto.com, welcoming crypto, moving in this direction. Again, this is positive. Right, and the third topic today. The third topic is all about the French asset manager, CACEIS, is offering now crypto custody service to its clients. So we have the French asset manager, CACEIS, to offer crypto custody service to the clients. And if you're looking at them a bit closer, this is a $5 trillion French asset manager and has registered to offer crypto custody service to their customers. And the asset manager was notably registered as a digital asset service provider, DASP, on Tuesday, according to IMF. So bottom line is that when we're looking at now, just recently, Spain, the approach of IMF, so definitely how we can fit crypto, how we can implement crypto in our financial system, how it will be part of it. This is the way many countries are approaching, and it's less and less about banning. It's rather how to live with it and how to regulate it. Definitely, this is one way they would like to work out, which is good for them, not just for the crypto guys. It's very important for them what is good for them, but they cannot really stop Bitcoin. They, you know, the genie is out of the bottle. You cannot push it back, really, but put it back. Anyway, bottom line is that this week, as we can see, Bitcoin price, with this last week also with this institutional approach, Deutsche Bank, BlackRock, and many other asset managers, they want their own share of Bitcoin. And kind of the battle is on who will collect more, which is actually in long term not great to more centralized Bitcoin. If, you know, the big guys putting their hands on Bitcoin, a big amount of Bitcoin, and then the retail investors will have less. But at least now you can collect Bitcoin if you would like to. But you should do your homework. You should be aware of the risk. So I wouldn't encourage anybody jumping anything, not just crypto, any investment, if you do not know what you're doing. So first learn and then act if you still agree that this is a good thing. So be aware of it. This is a dangerous and a risky area, and the majority who doesn't know what to do going to be wrecked. And not necessarily that Bitcoin is a bad investment. I'm not talking about this. This is just my personal opinion that it's a good one, but you know, it's not financial advice. But they just don't know how to handle it, and because they influenced by their emotions. So panic could be big, you know, FUD and FOMO, and always doing the wrong thing. So very important to learn. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain related videos here on Blockchain Bloom YouTube channel. So if you don't want to miss a single important thing, simply just subscribe. And if you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then hit the like button. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.